What's up my people? Welcome back to the channel. So we have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. My people, GX have enough of Rosealee and her bullcrap what she are going with. And the dog crash out on this Rosealee wicked my people. She know some things where GX say. Yo people, make we hurry up and get in it because I want to know hear what GX have to say. And me know say Rosealee have to come back. Remember you know, Rosealee been attack the man and been a say the man near her and one back of something and she play with him body and all of them something there. People, I saw woman tan you know. Them girl on a ramp when you and them left you know. Them spread the worst things about you. To people we want we give them the time of day to listen and gullible to believe them. You see me I say I saw them walk and spread rumor upon man all when you know do you do just to bring down your name. You see me I say also my people we have Shibada, you know what I mean, a beat Ivany and also a review GX exposing Rosealee. You see me I say we also have Diamond people. I talk about the people them we are bringing her down on the internet and how she have files for people we are bringing her down, but you know what I mean, she nah lift them up. You see it cause she just not stay that way there. You see what I say? Also my people we have more things with people we don't remember half of the top of my head right now. So whatever I don't hear in the intro, I definitely I go see in the video. So make we get in there, my people.
Ice come out of my front, you know, the same stinking front, you know. The same dirty herpes front, you know. Out the ice come from. Mine. Anything my son want grow up and see, where that have to do it. You have your own family, you have your own life, you have your own kids them. Worry about your family, worry about your kids, worry about your life. Stop worry about me and Ice and what Ice want to see when Ice get big. Cause some man no more than me, some man no file dirtier than mine, but you don't have no name, nobody no know, so you file that on social media. But it's sure they know somehow know a community mattress. How much I know the man them out on the community fuck and duck out and don't know. We might not know on social media for know no business, but me sure if me go marvel a man can point pan a girl and say she every man run through she. Me sure know if me go down and see you a man can point and say she everybody run through the old dog that. If me go down and see you go here say she work a club she a dog out. Some people know it in the streets and some people know it in the media. Some people don't know it in the media, some people know it in the street. None can make me feel no farmer way. Sorry. And I swear God. And if God give me life, I'll make me still live. And in the future, me there with somebody and they shot me, I shall return back to TikTok and I shall return back to social media until they say, no boy, I not shot me and me sit down and I say nothing. No, you know, come pie me and then me walk and I say nothing. No. And you can't, I mean, not understand. I see one girl one time I talk say, she have her, let me say the word her, she have her, she want girl and cheese the life, she don't pan. She have her. I always see it pan her mouth. Pan off her mouth. The only thing people say about my mouth is my mouth big. You never see Vany mouth white. Where the bump then there? Where herpes bump then there for my lip? Wait there. You mad? Pa for my lip? You have to be sick. Who for lip? I never in my life have a bump. My lip, enough. Me never have no for my bumper on my lip. Them never. Me a girl will always up in my screen. Never in my life me have a bumper on my lip. Never. I mean never have no white, nothing like destiny for my lip. Them my lip. Them the only thing I say about my lip them is my lip. Them big. Cause me having fillers. No. Excuse me. Me know say uno a shot, but not put me night with uno. Me not have them the big something there. A chlamydia, I catch and clear up myself. I have them the disease that was staying in your blood. I have them the disease that was staying in your blood. I want to know so much about my pussy, but it look, after you give me then. The girls them on TikTok know so much about my front. Watch this. Me never sleep with them, man. Me and them never sleep. Your friend them never fuck me. Oh, you're so sure about what go on in a femmy body. In a femmy pussy. Oh, you're sure about what go on in my pussy. You never yet meet me. Me never meet your friend them. Me never meet your family. Me never lay down with nobody for uno. Me a lesbian. Me a no grind. How you know so much about my pussy? How? But as I said, I don't really give a fuck still. Uno just keep on trend my name. That's it. Cause I love to be trend. Me love the highlight for me. I like when I open TikTok and Ivany. Last night every scroll Ivany. Ivany come for take over Scotia. Shame. Me not shame. Mama tell a friend when my shame tree dead. One time I have one policeman. So long before me used to do the nude something when me used to work on social media and shade it put out me thing them. I don't know if you remember that story. Them a time me not even Instagram days. Them a time I show you how long a girl have her name. This is from Facebook days. Well when this come up on my screen. This is from Facebook days. Me used to do it to a policeman from Spanish too. I'm a policeman or a soldier man. I think I was a soldier man. One of them, remember? Me used to do it to a policeman or a soldier man. One of them. I remember I did one. And then they come from Spanish too and I go over and me and the man fuck rap on Facebook live. I remember if you don't remember that. Rap on Facebook. We did a live on Facebook. And from that idea that my shame tree dead. Brawling. I mean how much thousands of people are watch me. Brawling on Facebook live. From the time that my shame tree dead. Until me go have pitney lose my pitney till news and this did come out with me and people run with that on social media for months when my friend did expose me with picture on a long time on social media. And then one time again me come live and the people them chip me head and me strip myself naked. Them a time you know me a trend on Instagram now. I mean they live around at the house around a trigger around when me get shot. I mean remember the comment section get me head chip and I strip from head to feet. And I say which part of me cranny and show you my breast and kin up my body and kin up my front pan live. This way I go on TikTok is nothing to me. A baby something this to me. Uno have a jolly time. Uno claim to say this is a baby something. The amount of thing when I go through already in a life we trend for months pan top of months. The amount of embarrassment, the amount of thing where happened to me on social media from me was a pitney growing up. This way I go on it is nothing new. This is not to me. This is look at something where I try and say Ivany catch chlamydia and no share. I've been through worse than that per social media and it never jerked me. This coming like not to me. Yesterday me dey on live one girl screen come put me up she shame. Girl I flew me a catch. You could have seen it in my face last night. You could have seen it in my face last night say me sick. My baby a catch flu too. I flew we a catch. And me there blow my nose. You put me up about oh she's sick. Come stop me.
Alright, my people, I want to tell me what you think in the comment section, right? Because you see, Ivany still, my people. I tell you what to Ivany, because we know enough of them type of girl in our community and around. You see me, where it's like they make a mistake, or when them the younger, them just knock. You see me, and you know what I mean, video and them something they leak with them, and them like them cope, them mechanism for cope. Them just turn the worst thing. You see me, because them sister them can't turn back from the mistake where they make or you see me, somebody out them out and you see me I say and them sister everybody see what go on and them shame. You see me, so instead of it curl up and hide from the world, them just brave up and just go hard. You know what I mean? So Ivany are one of them where, you know what I mean, she young, make a mistake, and the world see the mistake what she make. So what she a go do? She can't dissolve. She have to just evolve and just be one of the worst thing them. You know what I mean? So that's why the young girl them are not careful. You know what I mean? Careful what you do. Don't make no boy put you against your will for do certain things. And when you reach certain age, then you start to do the things them. Don't go suck no boy hood in your young stage. You're not ready for that yet. You may have a one SEX here and there. You see me I say, but don't go suck no boy hood. You know what I mean? When you're big enough, you see me I say you go do them something there. Because that we turn you in our monster. You know what I mean? Make your family shame of you. Cause as me say my people, them type of girl that with certain things happen to, them just dash with them pride and say, yo, I eat this of my life, this. You see me I say, enough of them now go lucky like Ivany if he, you know what I mean, if he elevate to the level where she there now, where she can, you know what I mean, stand up on her own and do whatever she want to do. You know what I mean? So make me know what to think my people and make me watch some more.
And then I see I talk about Jamaican people, them not for play with them. Be real. I more for cut them off one by one. How much time I black them out and black them? If me see a funny move, me gone, you know. Me never yet see one TikToker come out and me black Vani, me can't bother. I may ever black them off of my blood clot page. More I may take me because I'm not care who you, I must block you. Me black them. Me don't have to play with Jamaican community. I was one of the first Jamaican TikTokers to have the most American friend on TikTok. Who can clap blood clot it. Not even Swiss and World Dog them can able boss and them people that they used to play with when TikTok just a come out. And me used to play with most American. Them the page they gone do. TikTok take with them the TikTok page when me used to have. And me used to have the most American friends. And me live to come see some of my American friends them all a play with Rosealee. Me soon know a screen record. And when you see me and them a play now, on a screen record and I talk about everybody where Rosealee play with she a running now. If you go back for all old video, there was my friend, even the guy when named Chad. When you see me and Chad did a play what he on a screen record it, but it look like Rosealee and the man did a do some series so them there or whatever. And me and the man start play match what there. Them screen record it say me a try run up in a Rosealee. And if me know Chad know me and me know Chad before Chad and Rosealee. She them me know she them before Tatani and Perry and them become close and tick till the whole of them start go Jamaica. All of them Americans and me and them a friend from the game. Me used to just admire random people and me and them become friends and me and them play every day. Me not have to play with Jamaican people. Me have a lot of American friends. Enough of them love me too. And them the friend them in a mind keep because them the difference with Uno and them are top people in a real life. Uno allow some look commoners to them. In a phone look Jamaican community, wanna get to look 10,000 views and I make look 1 million diamond a Jamaica and feel like smart this is America. A USD them spend not JMD. No, hype thing, but it's the truth. Majority of these American people we see pan we see just because you see them are a millionaire in a real life. Some of them are big trader. Some of them are big trader in America. Some of them are big OF worker. Some of them are a model for some big company. Some of them are big Twitch streamer. Some of them are big YouTuber. You go up on their Instagram, them have them 3 million followers with them 300k likes over there. You go over Twitch, them have them how much millions of views. You go up on YouTube, them have make how much millions because they have 1 million views. TikTok is another app where people can make easy money and then just come over here. Jeffree Star a millionaire and him still come over here come play. As much as you see Sassy Santana over here, a millionaire in a real life. Somebody with big pan TV reality show and him still over here play. Big blood clot, big YouTuber. If you go up on their page on TikTok now, they're in our match right now. Because TikTok is a quick money where you can bring over your people them and make money. I don't mind keep me American friends them. So when uno Jamaican come talk about don't play with Van, me not have to play with uno because me not benefit from uno. Because if me do play a match with uno, I want link up in a real life. Me can talk about business. Because the only business uno have is on TikTok. Off TikTok uno no body. Uno no have no store out there so. Uno no have no name over YouTube. You know make no millions over streaming. You know make no millions on Twitch, for no millions are only on TikTok. If I feel like I want to meet up with one of uno Half a TikTok you know nobody. You know somebody when we open up the app and we have a look of views and we this pound of life. As soon as we meet in a real life, yeah no nobody. When me sit down and talk about how much lion I get last week, me not have to keep phone no friendship. And when me sit down and talk about who fucking most on TikTok and where we gonna keep quote tomorrow. Me keep me American friend them. When me done TikTok, them teach me how to use Twitch. Then teach me how to use YouTube. Me can learn from them. Them gonna put me on in a things for model. Where down here come from? Uno come tell me say down here over there and Uno tell me say down here people them a diss me in the comments and him a laugh and me block him. Coming out, I just sleep. People then sleep, then slide with me now. I wanna tell me say down here people them over there diss me and I call me itchy and he over there laugh and me did see my laugh for true. I wanna tell me and me block him off on my page. So now you want to tell me say my call me. Oh, let me look for him. Remember when I come out with my OF for no class me, that was the biggest class of my life. Not even when me did get shot. Not even when me get shot. Never big like when you want to come down for me when me do OF. You know see that a easy brush off. That was just a 1 month talk about. Me can't find him. Me turn on my request. When you class me for 1 month when me come out with my OF. And what me do? Me still gonna me suck it in because I know it have to come to a stop talk at one point. And it did come to a stop talk. Now this, you think this whole trend, this I go for about a week, or 3 days, 4 days. After that, something new I go come out with somebody. Maybe Annie find one new man. Maybe Akim breed Rosealee. Maybe Dime I go do surgery on her face and tighten up her under her neck. Or exchange a filter for go up on her face in her reality. I don't know. Maybe World Dog Woman we actually go take spot in a Miss Sabina and become one actor in a real life. Maybe who knows? Maybe other mix up I go come up and Vanny look a 7 day, 2 day talking I go crash. Who knows something happen with me again and me come back up again. This is TikTok. Me don't really look on TikTok. Everybody have to get a look of time for talk and that's it. When I come talk about this, say you call them want to come and me get in a real life to blood clot. I want to alone take this thing serious, bro. Me done pass and gone. But I swear for my mama life as me sit down here, so I don't feel no way about it. See me get one call last night when my cousin did. I don't even say that call long time she did for go and go see the Lord. Cause I ate all of them like pies. I don't even shed that tears. Me there up on TikTok same way like nothing go on cause they never know me, me don't know them back. Simple. And you said don't you call me no tool. I'm lock up at my request. I don't care. See my mother there? She me cuss her off and block her over there, you know. She make people then call her, tell her about, oh, Lexian, oh, I'm not care she wants to see this now, can block her again. Oh, Lexian TikTok a class, your class. Everything me do, they look so good, drunk or them. Run, go back, cause some of my people them were living in a community watch me. Everything me do, they run, go back, go tell you, man. They run go tell her about how me on TikTok a cuss her. Her phone mash up. Love a girl Jamaica. Me say keep eyes. I give me attitude, but you really asking me to keep eyes after you cuss me off on TikTok. I don't have a problem keeping him, you know. But the disrespect have to stop. Me know she could have still keep him, but you see your sister, me about to send down my pitney. Me now go send him down now, cause you know go down they go treat him now, you know. I mean now go send him down there.
I'm a people, let me tell you something. You know, say enough of them girl here, them tread down the pathway there and them come back, them find themselves and are one of the most decent, upstanding citizen. Yeah man, enough girl go down them pathway them people and find back themselves and change them life. You know what I mean? But alright, me tell you with Ivany and all my people, it's like from Ivany a chip from whatever happened. She keep on making wrong choices and them something there and I go down a path where she not decide for change because number one she say she can make money off of, you see me, that whatever it is, you know what I mean, mischief, sex, whatever it is where people that look upon as wrong. You know what I mean? She says she can make money off it, she can use it for her advantage, whatever. But the family background where she come from and all my people, them not in a them something there. So that's why you find say our sister them not really in her, them not really deal with her, or they never see her mother around her. Because that they them not want involved in her, and then again she did get a one can't or something, you know what I mean? So all of the problem them and all of the cussing and them something there when them sit online, them no want grow on her because them a say, yo, you know what, anything can happen to Ivany and me no want run her when such and such a happen and me no want to show up myself run her for people know say, yo, I'm a sister that or I'm a daughter that certain way, so them stay far from her. So at the end of the day, my people, Ivany is just a girl with earth. You see me I say, and I fear her way to cope with the earth where she have. This a fear her way to cope. So all you see she a go on live and a this and a rare. She have her moments where she dey by herself and a pray. Even ball too. You see me I say, so make me know what you think. Make me watch some more.
I am make nobody kidnap him. So you know what happen now? You only can't get a dime from me. You see, my grandfather when I love so much, he can't ever get a medication money from me. If my mother ever take sick and drop down, me now send $100 down there. Now her phone mash up and she now on her phone. My three sisters them all live afar and I work for government and them a manager. And now no my mother can't get a phone. But if me that talk, me that send down money and buy you that have a phone already. Now I just tie my blood clot shoes this and you can't get no money from me. From a picnic push out, none of them see me. None of my sister them don't even say congrats. But one of them want me go her wedding. Where the fuck me I got your wedding for? You not tell me. Me I turn on my request because I can't find down here. I'm add 6. One not tell me congrats done tall. None of them not tell me congrats. None of them say me could see ice. But you want 6 add them down here. So I not care about you, I not send down the money and don't go on by your business. One thing I did want to town for my immigration case, I look at evidence them, so I did lock, cause that me judge asked for my evidence case, so I did get shot in a hospital at KPH. You ship it up already, I have my evidence them and my paperwork them. I black on them, I don't need nothing.
Chat, don't I call him the chat? Don't I? Chat, call Donia.
You can't find him over here, so. Me alright, me don't need no.
Chat, you no call Donia. Chat, call Donia. Tell him not bring dummy. Tell him not bring dummy though. Dummy and hold down.
The reason why I couldn't find me because people didn't tell me what them tell me I made it and follow him.
You can't follow Donia, so follow him back, girl. I want to.
Me over here good and the people they said down here people them over there diss me and them a laugh. And me did see my laugh for true but me don't know when did I laugh but and me just a stay in me locally. Me not run up everybody start lucky this and me gone you know. Me not take no check. Me not take no check if me feel like me not wanted somewhere or me feel like nobody no want me there something me I move me not stay. Any look funny move me feel me I left.
Boy, I'm toxic. Oh.
Any funny move me
Why you toxic bad though? Worse than a relationship. And so why you toxic? Sidonia, think they can't.
Barney, me I say your blood, Mr. War. Jesus Christ,
people then say, your people, bear in mind, you know, me over here mind me one business when me there and I just a read comment because me a trade. The people then say, everybody over down here a class me, I say call me itchy sensation. And then say you gift as them, I say you fit jump. And me now go stay nowhere where the people them
No,
just jump.
Well, me like ready with senses though, man. Me see funny for you.
No, me I telling you something. Alright, me could pause that. Me I telling you something where there is two to a story 6 where you don't know. Listen, you see the man when them ask the people them, I make the people them in the comments tell you if them know. You see the man name senseless, I don't know the man from nowhere if you just get up out of the blue and diss the man. Me and the man never play a match, me don't know about the man. One time me I scroll through my For You page. That same exact man stand up on him live and the man a class me about my pussy already. Me don't know the man from nowhere. I mean not even did up on film live. I screen recorded my pass and see the man stand up on him live a class me about my pussy bigger and think and something. Me sit down and watch the screen record. After that, me start seeing on my page when dummy had him. And that's why me run him off. Me and nobody send it to me. And that's why nobody can tell me. Nobody never said it. Me see it with my own 2 ears and hear it with my own 2 ears and the man a class me.
So what would me have to do with it, Barney?
From that, me now go up on screen with him and me now sit down and play a match with him.
Me now nothing
so
to do with it.
feel like me just see man and just diss him man.
Don't
so me not
you want to get on that cloth, you know. Can't love going in your feelings.
Me not just see man diss him, me just...
Well, Barney,
and then me see all world dog you try like you want come for me boy if me think
Yeah, Barney, start girl.
Yeah,
start
me
it,
think
girl.
every man fuck me.
Yeah.
If you think every man want fuck you, at least me think every man want fuck me, but every man fuck Mrs. Bean. Mrs. Bean fuck out the whole 51 to 52 states. But as me say, me know you go come for me, so me you keep me tongue till when you come for me, I come back for you. I me never see and trouble you. When you keep court, and you have Jayden in that court, and you feel like say through the views they are 15,000, you feel like you did there above. I mean,
Alright, my people, let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Make watch some more.
Everybody run out of the court left you. You shame. Who did that way I pick up for you? Me. And me come on the screen and play a match with your feet now look nowhere. We had blood clot Arthur, you did one friend from Arthur cause and gone. Don't me come on the screen class and gone. You did one come on screen with Donia and Donia keep on I decline the match. I decline to not get accept on this. And everybody share run well left you. Jayden run well left you say you nah mix him. You see people them in the comments I say you too much and everybody they drag you down. And I me sit down and me never this year and I me play with you. I know you see one look thing. Me not say you can't talk, you can't troll. But when you feel like you want disrespect me, I know me and your friend and this way I go cut loose. Me add dummy and dummy make sure tell myself, Ivany, me and your friend about your name I go down in the book. Respect that. So at least when I go through For You page later, me see it. I say, dummy, they don't. Me don't understand where dummy I come from. But you can't want to say me and your friend and I come talk about. Me don't know if I fuck you want fuck Swiss, you know. Because you're not jealous of Swiss friendship of a man you love, man. Man you love. Man. Come by me. Do not come by me because you come by me, I come by you wicked. I remember you buying porn like what you love buy porn. Come by me, see me and leave me because I never trouble you. I remember me and Ivany, me take on everybody one by one. Me not play with Jamaican community. Me have a lot of American friends. Haters no give me, and me sensation give me. So no matter think me not go get gift, me still get support. No matter what me do, me always
get. I get no gift, Barney. People them just there and I watch and then forgot to recharge because all I mix up them and go on panic.
No, they feel like why me I go shame? Me got you worse than this panic. The biggest thing ever happened to me in life was when me go for OE. The biggest thing ever happened to me on the internet was when me do OF and OF was a 1 month talk. This a baby thing, nothing to this not jerk me.
Guys, how much on over here guys? I'm not even top my screen. You can just go on over and go read or comment them, you know. And listen to her, you know, guys.
Thank you,
Yeah, bro.
Chat me, I look it, chat. 2026 now, chat me, I look
That
it.
big woman, your pussy
So me
fat.
don't know. Oh, world dog come a style me and me never trouble him. World dog go to everybody with Vanny love. You should come and go like you want style me. I mean, I never yet no care how me see you and people in that thing me ever defend you. Me never
Yeah,
yet.
that's the money gun there, yeah. You're cute, can't cash out, girl. You can't believe me compliment them and then something there. Let me say me ugly and make me sad and beg to. Come on. Tap up the screen, guy. Beg 2 money gun, something. Mix up
two, man. Yeah, I two 6.
Never come
I choose 6.
Never
6.
trouble.
6. Then I see you post a video and the baby said thanks and down there said thanks. Like a film baby.
You want to eat so bad, yo. You might go top
Shadow.
But I can't mash him up.
What the comment say?
But thanks. After the baby say, the baby say, like you man in the video say, tell daddy
The baby
thanks.
say thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Here done ya. Thanks.
Chat, they're gonna
15 rows. 15 rows. They're gonna 1 rose. They're gonna 1
They're
rose.
gonna 15 rows.
Come bomb me now.
Yeah, tell her this.
You know fi come bomb me now because you love the OnlyFans girl them.
Chat, they're gonna
The only thing my
15 rows, man. Chat, they're gonna come trying to
They're gonna 15 rows. Chat, rose.
Me have
They're gonna hear rose. They're gonna hear rose. Watch out. When you go on over Vani, go read the comments them.
I remember me I only work on fear woman, I only work at two. The only thing for me shot and fear in a shot. So you know if you come bomb me now, the boy I make video about call water brigade. Cause you rate how you use fear look cocky, you might start flame too. Be careful.
Be careful of who, Vani. That mean me only come over here for
you love use a look cock too.
No, listen, you see, anybody my cop.
Well, we not hear no what you say.
You not hear me?
Like you put up on the speaker.
Jesus Christ Almighty God, man. You don't not hear me?
Yeah.
Barney,
Yeah.
listen, me get gonorrhea already. Long time when me go to school. Most of them people here where I bring you down, they catch something. They catch something already. I don't turn up. You never did catch you because your name sensation and the ladies they not like that. Wrap up, make your man them wrap up them butt when them up inside of you.
Chat, I'm take away for your last score now.
Happen.
Come on, my team. Take away for your last score now. There's a thank you for your heart.
Yeah.
But what me I say, Barney, most of the stop, you know. Most of them catch something already, but they just don't want to talk. Yes, I'm chat much. So, me not vex over nothing, me not hate stuff. Not because you're my friend, them no, I no dealings, me not hate stuff. Enough time I did, now me still friend you back, me not hate. Me not hate, me not realize. But me I tell her, say, I don't know, where's something name where you get?
Eh? Is me claustrophobic? Brother, your internet, yes.
Why is something name where you catch? Why is something name where you catch?
Oh, chlamydia.
Jesus
Oh,
Christ.
me I say, catch what's on that, brother.
A man have chlamydia, a man fuck and give girl chlamydia. My chlamydia come from a man.
Vani, have chlamydia for real?
You know have it again, me take the pill.
Nah, here you put.
Man fuck and catch chlamydia and give females. A man it come from.
Don't say uno.
Yeah,
Say your man.
talk for your man them
Yeah,
now.
man it come from. Man. Mr. Man fuck a man it come from.
You love
We
young
say we,
too
no
much.
we.
Vani,
You love young.
have to stop fuck raw.
Yankee. Yankee
Love
man,
and
them
fuck with
dirt.
Jamaica.
Vani, you see?
I'm telling you something more. Me have been alive 6
Thank
and
you.
down your kids something already, but they will never tell the internet. Uno can't talk to
You
me.
can't blood clot no. Come now,
That's
fuck
why
no
uno can't
Yankee woman.
talk
I'm
to
gonna
me.
chat.
And that's why I'm not take no advice from someone who can find kids something already. I wanna not talk, uno not much different.
No,
from
I'm
me.
not get
You
nothing.
only think me I go come talk, so me not take no advice.
Thank God
Chat
say
first,
can
give
cure.
triple. Chat first, give triple chat.
Thank God.
Chat first, give triple.
Chat,
First, give
triple team, triple chat, triple,
Guys,
triple.
triple chat,
Come on,
thank you,
chat, use the
baby.
triple, use the triple, use the triple, use the
Team.
triple.
Me I tell the girl,
Use the triple chat, use the triple chat.
No, you me attack, me
Me I tell her,
attack
say
6.
people catch
Thank
you
you,
and
baby. Guys, use
Move your ugly self for yourself.
That's true, man. I can't win that evil feeling.
Ras walk up.
Fire can't fire.
You see, sometime in a higher flex. Sometime in a higher flex, you can't make people dry out, you know, and make you see yourself, you know. Sometime, you know.
But that my age talk wrong, man. I support nobody will come.
Higher flex was the majority of who bring. Higher flex was the majority of who. Higher flex was the majority of who bring me down. Me have one phone, a blood clot that kids can pull, but me just is not that type. You see, every time I drink my rum tell me say, deal with them. God touch my back and tell me say, yes, not that type. Higher flex member say,
Alright, my people. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section. We'll watch a bit more and then we are going to move on to the next, my people.
listen. Oh.
What was Frostbox in that kit?
No, Frost no in that kit.
I don't want to read now, you know.
Then first now.
Listen to higher flex.
Yeah, me
Listen to higher flex.
Yeah, me yes.
Higher flex, remember say me are the only rank of me.
I have flex. What I do? I beg me, I beg you know.
Kind me get. Hey, go on, no man, me attack.
Oh, yeah, start. Alright, look, come on. I beg me, I beg you know.
Go on, leave. You have blood clot, yes, so. Listen when me say higher flex. When me I say, me are the only rank over here. Say, me come and me get 50 kind, me satisfy and go about my business, you know. Me no do nothing for kinds, you know. Remember, say me is a hustler, and I sell clothes, you know. You understand? Me do promotion, you know. Me know if hustle my own, you know. Me not really know how to beg, you know. Me I saw since TikTok come in, you see me they go and say, see anything I get, me bill for satisfy. If me come here and me get 25 kind, me go about my business.
I give time.
And me come in the morning, me not really come. Me come in the morning, me not really come back in the night. I don't run no ranking and them something there, you know. Me not run no video number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Ask anybody about me. You see me come here today, and the people give me 300 kind. Tomorrow me not even come back. I swear to God. So me now I'm gonna do them something for kinds. And I have me say me is in the street, y'all. So you see certain things me no want to do. I mean I tell you, see all that what I have flex, I swear to God, me care right, so me care. I have flex me have much docket in my phone can pull up and enough of them over here with the disc. I mean just leave it, bro. When me say docket, me mean me can play them make people see. I mean leave it, bro. Me leave it and then live for me day in, day out. And all who will live for me have files and me leave it, brother, because that is not my style, bro. Sometimes I drink my rum and I lay on my bed and I see them at this me and I feel away and I say I'm in a higher flex. I feel like I click my life and deal with them and then the spirit said I leave it that I know you that. Don't read that for evil, don't make them dry you out. You understand me? I say, higher flex, me can't come out tomorrow man now. Internet. But enough for me style that. I have like me bill for us, you know. I have like me not really bill for beg, you know. I true me say the money the right, so I we can ask her. I have like say me come this morning and me get and the people them. If me come off $50, me make me go about my business. Me not come back for the day straight to God ask anybody about me. If me come one day the people them me want 300 me not come next day me breeze them and go the other day ask anybody about me. I have flex. I have like me not run no ranking and pay away. Some of them just walk up and rank me say they have name. Some of them make their friends shoot for them and have a shoot back. You have to play like a round robin.
A mix up for the ranking.
Just stick up on the ranking to say them the pan ranking. You know much of them they have to make their friends shoot for them and have to shoot back the money to them.
They must be cash out and give friend. But
If we can't have a flex, if we can't have a natural name, that don't make no sense. If I go build my name of a mix up and disrespect and hold down and say I have flex to say the live lock off, I just surely for you, I go in the comment section, I say the disrespect that I have flex, you can't tell me no feel away.
The Bible said do unto others as you would like others
do
unto
you. You never know say sky. Look how other days you never know say sky I want woman. See? I really never know if it's true. When sky bring you never feel away.
Never, because we should talk a lie still.
But majority of people talk about me a lie, but you have feelings, I have flex.
Yeah, but is it true me know say a lie, she tell me that they bring
don't tell her why you don't feel away, because you're a mix-up content creator. So when you're a mix-up content creator, things are really bad on like that.
You're a mix-up man that.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you see me go back to reality, Jamie. I'm young and I'm done. More while to all the screen record them get to me and things that people say. More while people are send them to me, but just tell them say don't send me no screen record.
I said so when me just come on TikTok and just start do me TikTok, you know, me just get up on TikTok and share my life to him and say people I keep quote with me in a name, you know, one bag I bring down on me, I say queer. But just come on the internet and me never call somebody name me yet and 1 million people I bring. When I time me nearly give up on TikTok and say me I go tap, you know. And people tell me say I saw internet and you know when I tell me say me done with TikTok when me just started.
That's why I'm at the vex when I think I cash. She say she a defending them time.
Yeah, because them telling me I defend him and say, Lord, the youth man. The youth are like the girl on
that this. I tell people have to see me and I say, you don't stop doing what you do. I saw me that's why people are fighting.
Not saying that I'm not as strong in Vivilia. Me now say me not strong in the high effects. But me still as people that tell me, Bathe man, I fuck you have baby germs, you have AIDS, look how you hold and suck out. High effects, come on, man.
I can feel away, I can feel away, I can feel away.
I feel it's high effects.
And plus you have family, and when your family says certain things, then you can feel away.
Yeah, because sometimes my mother they say, low internet alone, you know, selling off us, me not grow your so, them suck me a disgrace. Sometimes my mother not go on the internet, people take it down and send them my mother WhatsApp, bro. Send them my father WhatsApp and them something, them brother. Me all of my big sisters and my big sister they say, "Dime give the internet a break." Kind of look good. Me and my big sister we are manager them something. My sister write it somebody. When my sister see them, they think them my sister manager hotel and them. My sister feel away and I say, and then my sister call me and say, "Can you just give the internet a break?" I hear me with my enough say, "Me can't give my work a break. Who go pay me?" So obviously you know so she feel away.
Real man.
This internet is a bring down place. You have to shout
your how people are say about
you bring down place no higher flex. The words bring down into higher flex. But the type of words. Look at when
if some people say certain things about me would never find them back.
I say me all amaga. When they cut me I say go only my maga down already. That not really lick me like that, you know. But you say when I go come now and talk about me a baby germs. I hate no higher flex that gone over boundaries.
Alright, you know why
it's gone over a boundary.
It's gone over the board, brother.
You know why certain people disrespect some people over here, and by tomorrow, them that are playing a laugh again, brother.
That's why you see some you know, that's playing anybody, you know.
But this is when one time,
this one time, you know, give you a chance, this me again.
Trolling game different, brother.
Like somebody would have sent a request, you know.
Give them trouble in and them skin thin, you know. But
alright, look on what they with wheelchair badness. Remember what they made up on the live with wheelchair badness?
But see people when I go to people that do video, I say yeah, this is because them never over here and she say I never use trouble her. Me see them splices, don't you hear me?
Wheelchair badness get trouble, man.
They splice and go like I say I'm here the wicked.
For you look bad.
They make me look bad. See how you flex, how she trouble me.
Me and Dime over here and she go over something alive and I tell live and Dime
over. For me.
And Dime says something about her and me see them splice the video and I say
splice it.
And I make it look like a diamond fuck if you say.
Yeah. Like I mean him, me tell her Jamie. Yes when I well eat over here, you can't respond to nothing. When I respond, everybody in your mouth your head.
But I don't see what diamond do for people that chat diamond to, you know, I don't know see what diamond do for internet, you know.
But you can't you know so I you know with them blood clot.
Jamie, all you there when him dummy. Him can't take trolling and him troll people, you fuck. Him can't take trolling for years ago.
Come not phone.
And him troll people you fuck. Him can't troll people, you know?
Come no phone.
You know about that giant certain little style, you know, you flex with the mix up and troll in a certain little thing, you know.
But
yeah, then they think they are going to last for a matter of time, dog, and then they're done.
Yeah.
Tell you. You have a time the table like a turn and you have a time a man.
Man, you say they always respect time from school days.
I do my phone there. My damn man, my phone.
I'm to your phone, right here, you know. Yeah. Enough people over here love them. But yo, nah man, I'm gonna tell you, if I win, everybody I got thing. You see me?
Yo,
alright, for instance, Jamie, look for Yankee that day. Nobody never bring on Yankee till he get a name over here. Everybody start bringing him down. So the internet.
Nobody don't know him and know him and nothing. Then I kill him.
Nobody, yo. Sometimes me hear some people in the box when don't know Yankee for Adams and I bring down Yankee. Me I say, Chacha. You see the internet here?
I tell you that. Yo, they just want to see her rise, dog. You see, long as you start rise and you flex, everybody want to tear you down.
Everybody, I don't want Bumbuckle family, brother.
Want to tear you down, same way. You say 10, boy. From here to 6.
Alright, my people, so let me know what you guys think about what I say, you know what I mean, and make we move on to the next people.
Can't argue with you. How much time me say I go bed? Take a 2 or 3 times.
No man, that video enough for start, so what do you mean can't argue with you? Know how much time I say you go bed? Come here. Me like that video, yeah.
Big man can't argue with you. How much time me say I go bed? Take a 2 or 3 times me say I go bed. Stinking pussy girl.
I need my slippers, say this, me now want to catch cold. Lord Jesus, then you can't listen in a one go. Then you cannot listen in a one go. What do you say? Lord Jesus, Father Jakes, you're talking about the Jakes. Imagine your kid seeing this, go suck your mama Stacy. Go nyam out your big old mother nasty Stacy. But you can imagine your kids seeing this. Patricia, go lick out the whole of your generation and bite your son body from back where. Yeah, you're brighty. You put a stink and bright. For all of the big so cocky lick out batty drink on girl them on the app. Go suck on the son them from back where and yam them shit. And lick out on the data hole. A Jake's time for talk now. Talk Jakes. Talk.
You're sick. You're sick.
Yeah.
You're sick. Tell the people them say you're bumbuck like sick.
Like
dirty front girl. You're sick. Rat hole girl. Tell the people them say you're sick. You're bright and face in a bumbuck like about yam this and yam that. Big stinking front girl. Your pussy big and stink girl. Kaya flow go bed. Regular me run go bed. What's up, Laverne? Big front, hey girl, I'm pretty me now. Stinking pussy girl.
Bye. Because the time with the big glasses man down a March drugstore. A time Rosealee wrap up GX, a time for GX start. GX boss it. But Rosealee always think a long time. I tell him it's number 15 legendary baby.
GX don't get that thinking over there, you know.
No, that's what all I'm on the woman are gonna say.
Yes, what place?
All I'm on the woman are gonna say that. Of course, GX. Of course.
They don't get that thinking over there.
No, I'm done with she. I'm done with her. I'm done with her. A true GX worthless. GX worthless to true. And GX in the thinking on because this is sometimes some girl time and pan them. Me know that for a fact. Yeah. And the breeze and the rain will come one day free of GX. And the rest of dead people them and need Rosealee bed. I go them a talk about you can imagine your kids seeing this. Rosealee all stink and a long time me I tell you say Rosealee have a stinking all I walk with. Yeah. Anyway, with the same cologne, the same name brand cologne, R-A-O-O. Yeah, him can't stop film break so long I make sure breathing a film face. A pure nasty step on the internet. A time for GX talk and GX do all your mouth. Boss it. Boss it. I bet you should stop talking now. I bet you should stop talking all when you talk about oh you are the driver for sheep you got the Obia man. I bet you should not go boss it no more. She go by your family, she go by you, she go by your mother, she go by everything for you. Come on Anita, boss it GX. Boss it. Cause remember who you talk about and nobody and who you breed is that nobody. Yeah, boss it. Oh, and a female that make Shantan Baba know how to defend themselves in her life. Look how long you hold it, Father GX. Look how long you hold. Boss it, GX. Tie and die the bitch. Tie and die her. Boss it. Don't hold your mouth. You're smarty pick me too. Don't hold your mouth. Make nobody talk down to you. You just a come from underneath her will. Don't make sure hold you down with her mouth. And that enough people don't know. She do her thing and you do your thing. You know the king. Every day she get up. Every day she get up. Me the talk it says she go push you for you open your mouth. Yeah, you only can hold it for so much and no more. Remember say you're not decent GX and get where you come from. I saw it still. I saw it still. So stop going like you're decent smelly. Cause she couldn't talk to you saying in real life if you're never popular. She couldn't talk to you say if you're never popular. When you say a police have to come for your life and tell you to take out restraining order, at time for you bust it on the peanut seller. Yeah. Then you think me care GX bust it a whole sting for true. And it's not a if or but or maybe. I will know she alone know wear drawers and slump and leather. She infected for true. She's the woman with the issue of blood. She walk and a drip like ice stroke. Yeah, she a drip like ice.
My people, more say this. How can you provoke a person where you know have file for you and people are going to believe the file them when you have because him more believable than you? Me not say a true GX attack, you know, because you are going, me never did it. But if you compare the two of them, Rosealee and GX, and the things them what them say about each other, the things them Rosealee say about GX, you don't see that on GX, and you don't see that in her character. Which way me never put nothing past nobody at all. But the things them where GX say about Rosealee, you can see it in her character and her pattern on the internet. You see me I say? So me I ask you know, either GX or Rosealee, who you more if you believe? Make you watch some more.
As she hip. You think a Jericho? Most it. Everybody know Rosealee nasty. Everybody know that. And people are gonna say about it in there. Tell them say she did tie you. Tell them say she did tie you. Yeah, you never in there for free. Akeem in there for free. Remember Akeem never forced. You were forced, Ted. Bust it pan nasty June. Every day you eat are stinking hole. No, for true. And these females don't like. I mean, didn't know say they will come to this. And these females don't like. They don't like it. Yeah. They don't like it. Bust it up, Jade. Start anything come in your mouth. Anything. Show I can diagnose people. Now you diagnose she. Yeah. Jayden and Italian she come tell me.
Bitch, you can't even wash your pussy good about blood clot. Hey, girl, we are past the place with bitch.
Yeah, bitch.
I should live our 1211 Phoenix Park.
Bitch.
1211 Phoenix Park.
That bitch.
Big pussy girl that pass the place.
Yeah.
Go easy, I just find big old girl. Hey, girl don't pass the place.
Team
Remember,
GX.
you're sick, you know. Remember, you're sick.
Team GX. Yeah.
Remember, say you're sick.
Yeah, parrot. Cause she bleed like salt mackerel.
What do you mean by it? Hakim alone and them a sick pussy. Cause your pussy sick, big pussy girl, sick.
Long time we know that, and the world never know. Long time we know that.
Can't run with me.
Right.
You like your face, you know. And him care. And him care. What do you mean by care argue with you? Use oh big pussy girl for argue with. Sick pussy girl, you use oh for argue with.
Yeah.
Eh? Sick.
Rosealee a parrot. Rosealee is sicker than parrot. She's sicker than parrot and I bleed harder than salt mackerel. Rosealee not have no hole for class nobody. Cause when Rosealee a sport is a cesspool, it won't draw. Me not ask nobody. You see anytime man stand up to themselves now pink party, you hear say them a batty man and them a this, and we sit down and we watch Rosealee tear down the man. For months Rosealee a belittle the man. A time for the man belittle her now. No man, a true time for the man belittle her. Tear up Rosealee nastiness. Tear her up. She ain't no prize. I'ma tell people that on a deal for my program. Me I tell them this from Rosealee just a come on the app. Me say Rosealee is a nobody. Nobody. She's a nobody. Yeah. Always I tell you say this lady is a nobody. All she do is project her insecurity on others. A long time madman and grind out Rosealee. A long time them a draw Rosealee crutches. Rosealee not have no belly button and she not have no pum pum. Yeah, long time. Rosealee look a kidney want wash. A kidney want wash. A kidney want put in a pan and soak. Yeah, my glad Jake Stark and bust it. Dirty Stacy B. So cocky Stacy B. I got talk about you can imagine your kids seeing this. Go suck your mom and your son from back ways. Oh, and that one for do. Not for one a big stinking old girl. Love going to comment section and talk about say Jake's this and Jake. I have another fat face ugly girl, you know. From the library, always a different Rosealee. I can't find her. I can't find her, people. I want to tell you now how I live strippy. I feel like cocky company for infected. Yeah. A time for the man stand up and bust it for cocky Rosealee. Yeah. Enough is enough. I'm fed up for true. Everybody have feelings. Jakes is somebody's son. Jakes is somebody's son, and for you sit down and get up every day and try and make a money for your baby father who you have belittled every day. The man want to feel afford to just the same way. Everyone needs love. Jakes never do you nothing in a life, and you come on the internet and tell me point blank publicly say the man for come out of your yard so you want sport with Hakim and clean card. Yeah. Yeah, you want clean car and do all of them something there. You must deal with Jakes and clown him out on the app. Then the man and I be for that. And I be for that now Hakim have you a clown out on the app. Then it's then Jamaican mix up already, then me the pan live and then put up me watch ya. Then me not still the pan live, me not just come on, then that's somebody are hungry man. That's somebody are really hungry. Yeah man, by any means necessary I have to eat after me come. Yeah. I'm glad Jakes bust it up. And anybody in the comment section you can leave all sort of message about Father Jakes. Cause number one, Jakes no want uno. Yeah, chef for class and then when in start now, them are bringing the picnic. The one last week she did on live in a weekend she push up 3 finger in the man. The man suck wood. She have 3 son with the man. Then anybody want to go in a bed with Rosealee or Jakes alone brave enough for me know him scan himself now. Jakes ate him history. Me know Jakes ate him history now. She talk all sort of fandangles about the man. It is okay for she to come on the app and tell like her every and anybody, but when it's your turn to talk about her, everybody wants. Rosealee got suck out Laverne, got nyam out Laverne. Oh, I see why Jakes have to wash off him hood in the family. I see why, because you all stink and you want you for something underneath to the smell. Yeah. Yeah, she's very out of order, and these are the stuff that some so cocky long time Asian days, long time before time center table big man, sit down and support. And you go in the comment section, this is what Jakes want long time. This is what Jakes is doing. You also stink. She stink and you can't hide. Me and you know in time people stink. We can look on some girl and know so that girl they stink. Well, like one glasses, we not even want them out of Walmart. Nothing readable.
Alright my people, let me know what you guys think. I'll make you watch some more.
Yeah, we can look for Rosealee and know she stinks. Say Jakes attack there. Say Jakes attack. Simply this what happened. Say Jakes attack there. From when Rosealee come here and said, this is a stinking, dirty, nasty girl. Will never believe me. None of them never believe me. When I tell you say Rosealee is sick and I hide it, none of them never believe me. When I remember when I made that class and I said this girl sick and I hide it, when I never believe me. Oh, they believe no. Okay, well, Jakes are confirmed. She not be that the man of Rona go be it. The man of Rona go be it. Then Rosealee look like she be it. Remember the internet, remember me come from the internet and class, Rosealee says she not be here, you know. Remember it's me come from the app and class, Rosealee says she not be here. When Rosealee not come on live during bathing time, she come on after bathing time, so it look like she just done bathe. Then only not grasp that, only not see that, only hear Shanta talk. And me come and me tell you say Shanta only put in bathing because Shanta gone to school so she don't hear Rosealee bathe. Me never did tell her that. They only did need Jakes to come tell her. Me say me glad she a robot nasty Jakes. Me glad Jakes a robot nasty Rosealee. And that me glad for. Me glad cause every day she robot the man. Every day she not care what she want to talk about the man. Me glad this day he just put the internet aside and said no girl nah this thing. You not hold on my son with your mouth. You try it with your whole. You try it with your whole already. You not hold on my son with your mouth. If you claim to say you're happy, why Jakes are mad yo? Why Jakes are mad yo? Jakes come talk some more things like oh he was a driver for carry all of the Obia man them and everybody who you eat on the app. Jakes come talk, you push the man. Jakes come talk. Jakes talk who you eat on the app and you smile with them and oh your bad mind and confirm every single thing we may ever say. Yeah. One thing we know Jakes can go in church. That's the only problem I have with Jakes. Jakes can be a good disciple for Christ because Jakes can't hold it, you know. Him can't hold it because remember she rank herself a star. No wonder if she's a star. She She rank herself a star. Money, she's a star. They don't like the truth. That's why they never like what GX say. Me like what GX do. GX says she's sick. And a one kidney Rosealee I walk with. One kidney. GX says she's sick. Rosealee want dialysis. Oh, Rosealee I walk with one kidney. And I cuss people and I drink Red Bull. Winner of a class, Rosealee, the Red Bull will do that for us. Not to mention the cigarettes. Yeah? Not to mention the cigarettes. You have bigger fish for fry. You have bigger fish. You know one kidney you balance your back with. You know your back a liver for one kidney and you still a drink the alcohol. You're not here, you're not change. I'm tell people this every day. You see yourself in the grave already. Yeah? You see yourself in the grave. That's why you're so evil. It's true. You sit up on the app every day, your class, girl, and tell girl how underneath them stink and how underneath them stay bad, and you can't wear white drawers. You cannot wear white drawers. It go underneath your white and it can't come back out with no color more than just, yeah. They put on a white drawers, no one take it off, Rosealee. A pure evidence, history. All I know we don't catch up to now, history. Your history mocking. And you still every day a class people. You belch all your pum pum through your mouth to all your whole stink. I tell people this every day about you. Any girl when never used to wear drawers from homeless man and sex them. Afya walk with outer road. I could have even Bellevue. Yeah. Remember homeless man used to the shame? Homeless. That is why she hold on Jakes because she can't get nobody. Why you think Rosealee run down Batty body so? Why you think Rosealee run down? This is one next thing me I go say. You hear she walk and talk to Jakes brother Batty man. So what if Jakes brother Batty man? Let us talk about you. How much Batman grind you, Rosealee? The amount of Batman will wash off shit in your hole. Jakes could have never expect your hole to smell like Elizabeth Taylor. He could have never expect your hole to smell like even Elizabeth Arden. Eh? Tell me the truth. To the amount of homeless man, Rosealee, remember you all leave a matches lane and down a south, you know? Remember Tel Aviv have their crutches. Remember every community you're going and you're a disgrace to the human race. You never know, White Diamond. You remember White Diamond? Yeah. Jakes could have never expect your own to smell like the lotion when you razor. And that's wrong, you know? Right. Before Rosealee put up the peanut and take up the peanut, Rosealee and get cocky from a homeless individual. A whole heap of homeless man can tap or Rosealee cocky. Then Rosealee used to wash off wood before she suck it. She lucky she have a 32-hour walk with it so much. When I tell you them something you don't believe me, that is why I tell you this every day. Some people will pose as scammer as some homeless boy. As some homeless boy pose as scammer. They don't never know. When I come and talk, I'm glad Jakes rubber road. And Jakes are the fittest person for talk the truth. And Jakes not cursing Rosealee. What Jakes is doing while Rosealee walk and tell lie on Jakes. Jakes is just merely talking the truth. And that's why it upset enough of the girl out there. Because let me tell you something. You know why when Rosealee talk, you know Bashar? Because everything what she talk about Jakes, you know says a lie. But when Jakes open him out, you know why not bash Jakes? Because he's not disrespecting his baby mother. He's not classy baby mother. He's just merely talking the truth in a pontificated language. But I never know that, and that is the problem. That's why many persons hate when me talk, because me not Englify nothing. Me put everything in a dirty ghetto language. Like they say, you are a bitch. You suck old. Me not mean say you literally suck old. Your actions of a suck old careless girl. Yeah. And that is why enough of the females go underneath the videos and start scribble some things. Yeah, because we don't know that anytime Jakes open his mouth, it's going to be the truth. Rosealee can always talk about Jakes because everything will share come with a lie. A lie. Any man who watch fair can talk about you. Him see a destruction in your drawers, all your big shirt, your shit up. All your big blouse them where you wear your shit up. And that is the problem. And I don't want Jakes to stop talking because they say if you can't lick them Jakes, use your words to fight them. Because if you put your hand on her, a prison work that, and that's exactly what she wants. So here we do. Now if nobody want to call you a big girl, as she said E, you said duh. Yeah, as she said E, you said duh. Yeah, she's going to learn. Because a whole heap of things out there for her. You understand me that you have. She ate Swiss-Lee, she ate World Dad, and I'm pretty sure she tried obeying them. You know all of this. You know all of this. And only thing people can say is loyalty. I will never disbelieve you because you were the chauffeur at all times. Yeah. Talk how much people need the parchment paper, but she put parchment paper, and that if I talk. Yeah. It's the true Jason no offer like Rosealee. If you want Rosealee, shut up. Just go for the milder things them. Yeah, just go for the milder things because Jason no offer make you cry. Yeah. All of who she has power with now she eats. Make them depend them P and them Q beside her. Make them make she feel uncomfortable while she make you feel uncomfortable. A son of fight war. It's true. Yeah. No, it's true. And him have more from us. This is just where Jakes do Jakes a wanna. I want Jakes a wanna say, I'm coming out. I want the world to know. I want him, I want Rosealee. It's just warning her. They ain't not doing nothing. I'm just a want her. And she's not here. She's not hearing, she's not listening. Yeah, man, if I tell her I forgot be there, that's fair enough.
And then something I may talk about with people. How can you try to bring down a person where have your file and people are going to believe him over you? You see me, I say, remember Rosealee was not rich all the time when she and Jakes in a relationship, you know. Remember them in a poverty right through, you know. So if you look at store for buy, you know, say I want carbolic, you know what I mean, them good as Afya go buy, I use some fab soap and wash off, and the bathroom never welcome in maybe, and them type of weird. So you see me, if you just jump in at the shower, it gonna be kind of difficult, and plus a person where overweight, and then you know what I mean, the laziness and all them something there, it kind of, you know what I mean, make what Jakes I say believable. You understand me? I say me not say a true Jakes that talk, me not say a true Rosealee talk, but me I say either the two of them, the story where two of them I tell, which story is more believable? You see me I say? And people that go for Jakes, but here I go on and now my people, me feel like the reason why Jakes never come out and try to disrespect Rosealee from longer time when she had done him or something. I get to him, you know, because here I go on, remember, you know, man can't just jump out and cuss a woman, so you know, you see me, people are going to call him all different type of name, plus I know the ghetto Jakes come from, and Jakes look like he's a militant youth, like, you know what I mean, where people look to for certain level of militancy. So you have to really push him for him come out and say something, so him decide to come out, you know, because it get too overwhelming. It get too bad, it get out of hand, it get out of control. So let me know what you think, make me watch some more.
And he's not at home. That's why a lot of times he's not at home. All of these females on the support. See Ivany there, I walk a shoot down for him. Remember Ivany saying in any time and she always split that she will walk and give every boy in a foreign what she has. Now Ivany brave enough for come on the net and sit down and turn on her life. This is a girl who dead already. Ivany dead already. When me tell you say she dead, I mean Ivany dead, bury and magatanya mar. She willing for church. This is a level of wickedness and witchcraft, you know. And it's serious. It might look funny to us and entertaining to us, but it's very serious. Look at these ladies on the app that you guys are defending. You understand me? Look at what Rosealee said about her baby father, Jakes. How can you try to belittle the man, want everybody to dismiss the man, want the man to feel isolated, which you have always felt growing up as a child? You see, you grow up on rejection, Rosealee, because you stay bad, you're terrible, you're ugly, you're smelly, you're disgusting to the core. You understand me? So people reject you growing up, and you feel pleased. You know what rejection is, and you feel pleasing passing it on, not to a stranger, but to your own baby father, because the things and the labels that you are labeling your baby father, you want others to believe you and to segregate themselves from him, so they isolate the man. You understand me? They isolate your baby father. So you must sit down and have all the privilege and all the help in the world, and people must laud you for your wickedness, and you alone must know inside that this is your handiwork. In your heart you must know, I rebuke it. I rebuke that in the mighty name of Jesus Christ of Nazareth, Rosealee. I rebuke it. Oh, Jake shall farm his own sin and farm his own demise, the same way he farm his own blessing. Yeah, you're too out of order. And I see a lot of females sitting on the app and really allow Ivany if you turn on her live and wanna sit and wanna listen as wanna know the conclusion already. If Ivany is going to sex the individual and tear off the individual's condom, and I said this many times, I'm gonna go charge on a fee for supporting her. You stab up the condom in order for ice banter, or we never want to breed because you're not a baby mother. He never unpick you to be his baby mother. He never unpick you to be a receipt. You understand me? And you went behind the man's back, and you go and you took the condom and you take the pin and you stab up the condom's out. Ice is a bastard. Ice is a bastard, baby. Me not ask you. People now want to label it as it is. Ice is a bastard child. And when we say a bastard child, I mean a bastard child. Ice coming like when Abraham, Sarah did their maid to Abraham for Abraham breeder. Yeah, Ice not recognized in the Bible. For sure. He's a bastard child, for sure. Me not ask you know, what you did. You stab up the condom in order for Ice born. Right? And then you now came back and said you're gonna walk and give every man your sickness where you have. Fine, because people never remember say your pum pum stink. And me tell them say your all stink. Remember, and me remind the internet say you have a gun walk with a special. And it's not a one pack that can shoot a crowd. Anyways, moving right along, Ivany. It's when the brother say you ripped the condom, you tore the condom. Ivany, you know the only reason why you tear the condom from the little boy there? Because you want to infect the little boy. Every boy where you go to, you show them, you leave a spank shell on them. The boy them wear a spank shell around them neck, around them cocky, like a pendant. Me not ask you, that's who you are. Yeah, you are a wicked soul. You are very wicked. You know you have herpes. You know you have all sort of something in your vagina. You know you have all of the STD them. You know anything where people can do for you now is donate a local clinic in your vagina. You know that your pum pum should have never leave the hospital with you and Ice. Your crutches should have still left on the maternity bed. For sure, your pum pum should be in the hospital, anywhere healthcare there. Your pum pum need to follow it. And it's just the truth. This is wickedness. This is wickedness. Some man can't even sex in a condom. And when them a dig out your hole, them want to feel good and only for done and have them a fret. And people sit on the app and support all of this. The boys say crutches stink.
Alright, my people, me just want to say this. I'm against people saying stuff about the youth them, the picnic them. You see me, I say regardless of who the parent is or parents is, me not condone them saying like some certain type of stuff when it come to the youth them, you know what I mean? Because at the end of the day, the parents can do whatever them do, but the youth them never do nothing. So, you know what I mean? Me not like it. This tasteful to me, no matter who it is. You see me? Me don't like it none at all. Because me grew up in a respect era. You see me? I say we respect and love. And certain people, you know what I mean? Like the elderly, the young youth them, you allow them alone. You see me? I say them get past for a lot of things. Them can't like you know what I mean? We not really involve them in a whatever go on. But it's a different age and time and also, you know what I mean? Things different. Let me know what you think.
I can just think for sure. I'm not the first man that says so. No, for sure she need a clinic. Andrew need to donate a local clinic in a little girl belly. She made a promise. Said she was sick of the people in my foreign. Ivany is a carrier. She is a carrier. Patient 0. You not understand, Ivany is patient 0. She's a carrier for real. In this case, Ivany is so wrong. She is so wrong. You tore the condom. Because you really want to bomb off the body, you know, so you little hole of the infection in a little key carnival. You always plan for sex to you them when infection come out. Somebody call Trump. Somebody call Trump. That's not supposed to in America. Leave Ivany but dip the crotches. Dip the crotches. It's just the truth. Look how underneath Rosealee Jake said, think like out a door. Think like a backyard, Riverton. And Rosealee come on the up and say Jakes near man. No, Jakes can't find Rosealee pum pum now, people. All if Rosealee open up her legs still lock. Talk truth. All if Rosealee open up her legs still lock because her fat them not tight. Remember when Rosealee tell up everything run down. If she lay down everything run back. So if Rosealee even open up, him have to go get one tail comb. Him have to go get one tail comb and part. Try find the center. Yeah, it's true. Talking, some woman talking shit about who him and lick out my body wall. When I see Rosealee turn back, we all I see is leg and back. Leg and back, all I know me not see separation. Cause her foot gone right up in her back like a Guyanese house. For true. Like a Guyanese house. I kid you not. Rosealee have the perfect set I need them from back where. Me don't know where them are if them are playing domino and Rudy hour, but we know those are not knock, you know. Me know those are not knock. Oh, them that drop 6 love. Then they want the LB double a leg before recruit because everything just kiss. For true. It's not lie. The ladies shape shake up. Rosealee shape like the flower where you plant for need and you start and stop because mix up out a door. I who dead? I 12 baby father guess. Yeah, them say police killing this man in a Craig town. Then guess really get dick for come dead. They know what them lock up the family in Portland. They know what the family go for teeth ATM and them lock up the entire family from mother go right down. Then the whole generation never get locked up, so now, they now who let him out for come dead. Then I never see this yet. They say police kill him for sure. And now what did them lock up the whole of them, you know? But 2 dozen of them for stolen. God call him and he never know. Just like that, see? Yes, I don't know how I reach here, so, but I just drop it. Yeah, I don't know, that's why I like when my information them shuffle. I like when them placed properly in alphabetical order. Yeah, come there Rosealee and Ghana G. Guess. Back to the flower, please. What did I say about flower? Did I say something about flower? Me just say something about flour. Yeah, like when the man eat dumpling and come back in the car, yeah. And then, you know the flour she don't need good. It's full of all lumpy, say that though you're not smooth, it can't make pizza, it have too much bump. Who knock the flour? Somebody knock the flour, man. Yeah. For sure. When you sit down and have these dirty crashes lady on the internet, the girl them all want douche. Them can soak them all in a vinegar overnight. Rosealee and Ivany. When the lady they were always walking in the community and sell camphor ball. I want to play marble in them all. You know why you use camphor ball and play marble in them all. Yeah man, when I done Rob Saint leave. I say when Jakes and Rosealee have a rat hole, I say see the Jakes watch Africana. Number 15 in a Rosealee belly, Rata Castle, she alone ride the deal with the pimento see them pan it, sorry.
For black and mute, everybody we are talking about this Rosealee this and Rosealee that. You get me? That's why I must put flowers. Because I don't want to call this woman name. You see it? She says I come up on the internet. She come to her specular show her things that I go do. She start disrespect me. She start, you know, Ray and she Tay and she Lou and she Ray and she one with for something. I'm still full much month. September, October, November, December, January. The states I always see me because I say we should do that for. You want to make your money, people go on so what me I do so I try to see me can generate over book my part too. Because you them is not here. So I'm going to try to see if I can get them back because you can't get them back because of what you say. So I'm going to try my part. So what the fuck you do that for? So I'm still not follow you up and, you know, back and forth with you because you're a woman and me a man. I don't even understand that. You understand that? Is it? So you've been a trace not go on and I mean I said, sure. Just say what she want to say. I'm a lick out batty, I suck pussy, your finger and all them rascals there. Me do much in some, I'm still not follow you because maybe you vex about you break up or whatever and I don't know if I saw you do your thing when you knew and somebody left, you know what I'm saying? So me I say, yo, love it alone. Still not follow you up. But when you go make a next one now, for your next life, I come talk about. I do all of them things the way I talk about, I do. And that's why I can't argue with you. And I can't argue with you because I know it's true and I can't argue with you. You're bright and fierce in a bumble world, girl.
Alright, my people, so you hear me did that tell you no do. A man can't do what a woman do, and a woman can't do what a man do. Yeah, example, a man can't trace a woman like how a woman would trace a man. You see me I say if you want them to call you a man, same way. Because we have the type of man them where we cuss woman down, we cuss them to scorn, the bottom man them. And I saw them are going to label you if he's a real man and a cuss a woman. So Jake's kind of, you know what I mean? But right now we kind of get too much them have to come say some things, you know what I mean? Make you watch some more people.
Bright, yeah, bright. You feel like say Junior dunce comparing to me now, so the fuck you feel like you can argue with me, Junior, you're dunce.
Guess what?
Rosealee, bar brighter here, you know. Bar brighter than you. Brother, listen. Listen, you. We are go about it the right way, the legal way. I'm not like for you. Grab a hold of yourself. That's what you need to do. Grab a hold of yourself. Because yourself are run nephew. No, for true, brother. For true. No, dog, she need to grab a hold of herself, bro. I should even come out like sick. I just wake up to you know, you understand? I should even come out so I shouldn't come out so you know? Rosealee like. I shouldn't do that this morning. Jaja. We're going to do the legal way, the right way. How we can get a reason about this in front of the right person. The right is the people them. They put it in front of them, we reason about it, and everything when you talk about, you tell them, me tell them. We tell them, me tell them, me ask you, and see them can give some help, then give me some help. You know, which part we want it, because there might be some space, some part for me, and in my way, which part I need some help, and I'm going to switch part, you need some help, and you know, the both of we get some help. You see it? Big man thing. You know?
Yeah. Now bring one this out. Yeah. Yeah, now bring one that back there. Same serious.
Yeah, the man come like that youth, the man drive past me that vehicle up there in front to push the cleat and a different man see man. I want to
chat, people business. I come to talk about my business. People business are reason behind me. That's why I mute it, right? No, sir. You still not hear me? I want to get over here, but love over yesterday. This is a bagger. I'm going to feel bagger. I can't take a nipper problem them. So I'm just making know say go the right way like what me I do. Instead of put yourself in a problem, you got a station. You see, same buy a phone for a man where the phone not going to work, the phone not work. So make him know so when I walk and look for him when I walk and look for him, just go to the station. Come on, ever look for you find okay, just go to the station.
Hurry up.
echo. I put on the phone. So I put it on the light a while ago, you know. Yeah, chat. More should just stop. And we two way, as I said, we go the right way, we go the legal way where the two way can get the right help. Understand? The right help, the legal help where, you know, we can get the right counseling. I go always keep Tashina one thing with me, Tashina. I don't really tumble on my problem them from people, you know. I say I call this now, I have this issue with this woman, you know. And you walk on and say, Jakes, me a light. I still get light same way and the reason same way. Jakes, me a base, I'm 1,000 go buy, so I still get same way. And so I say, because you're not going to stop me from so I say. You understand? I'm not going to get ignorant by you just so you can beg me a light. Just true, me, you know, just me cross my over, just me cross my over, just so. You know what I mean, eh? No. So from I always have a smile on my face still, you see. I told you upon that, I'm not like when people waiting and they piss me off. They want to give me upon other. Not like that. You see. But me not upset with nobody, you know, nice lady. Me not upset with nobody. You see it. I'm not upset with nobody at all. Because I say when I come out, come say me I'll seek the local help towards me, you them. I never bring down nobody. I never tell nobody say, yo, I hate that person because I them and you them gone. No. I make sure the people them say, yo, allow that. We end up on that. You see it? And she talk much things. This woman go down far up. I'm a brother than my Bathe man. And all them sitting there. You know it fuck up, chat. Look how it fuck up. This girl there. Fuck up. Chat. 2.5 point ad. 2.5 ad people over here. For sure you. How this girl there not easy and she just Candy. Yo, the party in her sons. The brother when she come hug up in her sons. Him she attack, you know, him she about him, you know. The man when she come hug up in her sons on my table. Because I'm my table that. The man when she come hug up in her sons on my table.
Alright, my people, let me know what you guys think. And you know, say if you don't look on this thing here a different way, Rosealee kind of keep Jakes, you know what I mean, in the limelight by cussing him. You see me? So cause them say any publicity good, you know. Because if a person attack about you is bigger than you, it will keep you in the same, like, you know, say category maybe as them. You see me? Cause them attack about you, them fans are go, who this? You know what I mean? Try to find out who you be, whatever and them way there. So Jakes I get props off of Rosealee calling him name still. You know what I mean? But let me know what I think the people. I can watch some more.
Him she a call Bathe man, you know. Big ways. Hey, I don't show. Don't see it. Chocolate Locks. Good morning. DJ Natty, morning. Everybody, good morning. Good morning, everybody. Blessed morning. I'm not life for have one wonderful morning, right? I'm going to change my energy when I'm in the life because when you depend that look when time we understand when you can start, right? Never time. So energy have to change later. Yep. This is our block. Alright, team. Black man have to keep themselves clean, man. But me I go today to the PTA of represent. You see, to the PTA chat, so they go circle over there. I'm not here. If I tell them, so yo, when time God at work, tell bad mind about at work. You see it? Big up Team Vision. So you know, so the youth them can live comfortable. Afya go around. You can't afford for me, you them a go around. Every minute them there so. And then they right there so. And then they right there so. And then they right there so. I feed them place this. This, feed them on. Every minute them a move. Oh yeah. For sure, so I feel my youth them relax. I try to show them where they are teaching, you know. So if you them have a relaxed mind, you have to relax. Make them have a relaxed brain. So you can read this properly, chat. Go to nice son. Read that properly. It's a Shanta Beckford, the date, the grade, bringing this closer. It's the exit ticket tier 1. Student is working at and above grade level. You understand? So my baby I work at and above our grade level. It's a Shanta Beckford. That's it. Chat. See God, yeah? This is Andrew Beckford. Same thing. Tier 1. Student is working at and above grade level. You hear that? And them sitting here me work pan. Them thing are my main whatever. And a smart girl alone, smart boy too, two of them smart.
Well, my people, that is a good look, you know what I mean? If you see the two youth, them the two only youth where the dog have. And even Rosealee too, you see me, the only two youth where them have. Brilliant in a school. And them for mold this them mind, you know, and you know what I mean, give them the push and find different ways for them to improve and keep up where them are going with right now. Because you see, from them take on to the schoolwork, that are the best thing you could have ever asked for. Just keep them motivated, you see me, and interested in it. You see me I say? So make you watch some more, my people.
Two different people I'm showing you, you know. Two different people I'm showing you if you don't notice. Remember some turns to the report there. To the results there. Two different paper.
Me and a boy never argue. Anything we say, I eat we I work with. I say, when me say, I eat them I work with. Okay. Me now come try to say, not go so well. We are working with you say, I mean I working with me say. I look something for me, I don't know about tracing. Not trace with no boy. For you look later on when you click your live over there have 2,000-3,000 people eat it, you never get it. Me don't want a boy ride my back it big, me I try to slim it down, come here to make my shots. Because my blood clot then I came across the blood clot board. Me there with tap down now, me can't argue. Me have my man, I'm not gonna argue. My man say me not to argue with you. You gonna starve over here. My man said me not to argue with you. You know it feel when my man said to me say, all well you have to be a blood clad thinking face boy like you want it. I feel like a piece of shit. Cause I know me don't want you. When my man said to me say, oh you ever argue with a boy like you want, I feel like a piece of shit. Because I know me don't want you. I not argue with them. The way I say it to work with. Yeah. And the way I say I eat we I work with on the panel. We now say let's say we now say over. Try to focus. I look some money going to go up. I look one match for play. I see a match out there for blood clot. Try me I look two give for go up in the ranks. We can't do the argument. Oh boy, yes, I say we can't. Boy, we can't jump on one. Boy. Try to look two money going to go up there and get contract. No match they ever play. We say we can't ride go up there. Yeah. Try to want 6 points, want push on something for God 8. 1 6 let's say for God 8. Come to 6.2K for God 8. Try we can cut it down with money gun and send on, we can send. Wake up my side. Put one you can't put, we are try go up there. Nobody yes, some thank you. Some thank you. Whole people there. We can ride the ranking. Chan, my baby. I never was already thank you. Try to want 2 months. Try to want 2 wait for God sever. Oh look content. I'm out on time now. Why I want to come every day and argue with a blood clot man with me and him today. Go and look content though. You don't see my page full of content? Go look content though. Why more come every day come argue with my boy when me know me him not there. Not even call him phone. Me not gonna do that. Me not gonna argue. Anything where you say I eat where I work with. Anything where me say I eat me I work with. Me not come in and argue with me. We do. Come remember when me talk, you know. Remember when me talking, you know, say a lie, me I tell you no. You go sit down and come up with a plan now for come back one next 2 days for your chattings. I never hear come and say a lie. But it's just the truth. So 2 minutes are just the truth, me not argue with you. So the way I say it I work with. Yeah. Chat to 1, 3 months ago for got 7. Come I wonder after 12 years. I left for 5 months, I just realized I'm supposed to stink. Chat me look 2 months ago, yeah. Chat me look 2 months ago. Chat me look 2 months ago. Chat me look 2 months ago. Chat me look 2 months ago, I don't have the time. Chat me look 1 next month ago for got 7 where I try got 6. I try to go up in the ranking. Me will cover share deal with. Yeah, simple facts, me not argue. Yeah. So we can get a blood clot game. You're playing? Well, you're playing?
I have an official battle in like 30 minutes, so...
Okay, my baby.
Alright.
Alright, later, boo.
Later, boo.
Alright, so we can't get the game. Who's the Bumbo? Try to look 15K for got 6. 15K or 15 Galaxy or 3 posts. None of the best them today can more be look 3 posts to got 6 shot. Try to look 15K. Keisha look me look at Keisha. TikTok live you can let me something not thank you. TikTok live you can let me something. TikTok live you can let me look at Insta still or look at post. Try to look 15K for look we can cut it down with money gun. Yeah. 114 now. Chopping on more money gun Galaxy. 14, 13. Me I beg your TikTok light. Me I beg you something. So do want 8.5K for got 6. You know about Tory. Love laugh, thank you. Try make a chan me girl and the big babies them. Try see my babies them there. Try to look 6.9K for got 6. 5.
No, Rosealee, on a certain go. You know, go dictate nothing over here, so. You know what I mean? Because remember, you know, you first come at trouble, man, and I bring down the man, you know. I know that the man starts to say some things you are going to say, you know, in a tracing and anything them him say that you work with anything you say that the people them I work with, so you know, nah, on a certain go. You see me? You can't tell the people them what to believe or dictate the war. You see me? I say the people them are gonna believe whatever them want believe. You see me? So now that the man a clap back at you and he hot, now you see what him a go through when he tell the things them or the lies them or whatever. So people wanna make me know what to think. Make me watch some more.
9K no chat. Try to look 5 Galaxy, I want to look supposed to go up there 2 way. I'm not arguing that's so I'm not arguing. I don't know about this request. I'm not arguing. Don't want to hear it. You get my blood clot there. Come on TikTok. I ball my throat all for try to come. When look people call on my phone. Oh, you never stop talking about that man. And Rosealee leave. I'm tired. I'm tired of it. I'm tired. I'm tired of people that call on my phone every day. Oh, you need to stop talking about that man. I need to leave it and lock that. I'm tired. You know, I can't keep chatting. Chat me a little poogie for go up there. Can't fucking bother. Chat me look 4 Galaxy now. Shan and guys, I look 4 Galaxy now. Then people ask me in the request when I do not in the box. Sam, the man I gotta do one series later with World Dog. Because so we can do it for now. We're not gonna see him later. Exactly, TikTok. How would you say? We're not gonna get to see him later. At focus. And then I'm gonna start talking them drunk. I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that. I don't have time for that. Go look content though. Not flat. Try to 1 3K for reach a 6. Try to look. Somebody can begin one lion. Jones, my baby. Try to make a combo son donut. Try to make a combo son donut. Make a combo son donut. TikTok, I follow TikTok live. Try to make a follow combo son donut. Try to make a combo son donut. Combo son donut. We try to go up there. Go come on, son. Don't have no more wheel chat. We don't have no more galaxies. Choose it for a queen. Choose it for a guy. Go come on, son. Do not send 2 money gun. Throw up 2 galaxy. Come chat. We want 37K chat for reach at 5. We want look 37 galaxy.